Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Google Bard. Today I will show you how to use Google Bard with Google Flights. Now you can actually use Google Bard with Google Flights. You can plan out your visits to other countries, and it's overall a really great extension that Google Bard has. So if you didn't know, you can actually go here, and these are called extensions or plugins. You can click here, and as you can see, you already have enabled Google Flights here, Google Hotels, Google Maps, and YouTube as well. So what's really cool about this feature is, as you can see, you can click one of these here. For example, let's click plan a visit. So, and as you can see, show me flights to visit my aunt in Madrid the week of January 22nd. Give me gift ideas to what to bring her. She loves dolphins and playing cards. So basically, as you can see, this is an example prompt on what you can do to use Google Bard with Google Flights. Obviously, you can change the city name to something else, and you can change this to something else, right? But it's a great idea, right? A great prompt. So what you can also do is you can go again to extensions. You can have comparison shop here. For example, show me flights to Tokyo and give me ideas of things to do. How about sell to? So basically, as you can see here, it also gave me everything right here. So let's say we submit this, and Bard will give us the answer according to this right here. And as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. We obviously need to wait a little bit, but as you can see, it's fetching from Google Flights right here. So that's a great thing to do. Now obviously you will need to wait a little bit for this to load up, and as you can see, once it loads up, it basically already got my city, right, or actually my country. And as you can see here, you can also see your country as well. But yeah, here's some flights from Croatia to Tokyo, and as you can see how much it costs and how long it will take, right? And basically I can go here and I can see more options on Google Flights right here, as you can see, and I will be able to see every single thing right here, from the price all the way to other things and other informations. So that's basically how you can use Google Bard with Google Flights. Very simple, very easy. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.